My eye.
Yeah, this is the strength of a woman. Ain't nobody better than the boss chick. All the ladies with the fight for the moolah.
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this hair look with my natural hair, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. Shrinkage is real. I'm going to moisturize my scalp with the Island Oil Jamaican Mango and Lime. It smells so good, that's why I always use this. After I'm done putting in the oil, I just massage my scalp and just stimulate my hair follicles. I'm just gonna comb it out and I'm gonna section it probably into two. I'm using the orange Flexi rods, which is like a medium size. I'm gonna use my Aussie curl defining oil. It's actually the first time I'm using this product. I'm just gonna take a pump or two, put it behind my hair. And then hook it, then grab my hair and go around the rod. And then when I get to the end of my hair, I'm just going to hook it again. And that's what I'm gonna do all throughout my hair. And just hope and pray for the best. So for the front, I'm going to curl it facing my front. The back part, I curled it backwards. The front, I'm curling it frontwards. Some parts are getting dry. So if I feel like a section is too dry, I just take some water and I spray it on the hair before I add my curling oil. So the Flexi rods are all over my hair now. Now, there are three things you can do at this point. You can either put a scarf over your head, put a bonnet over your head, go to sleep and take it off in the morning. I don't like sleeping in it. You can also go under a hooded dryer. If you don't have a hooded dryer at home, I got you. Got one last option for you. Get you one of these. I don't even know what this is called, but it's like a at-home dryer, hooded dryer. It gives you that hooded dryer effect. You basically put your head under here. Once your head is completely under, then you'll find this. You tighten it. Then you take your dryer, blow dryer, and then at the end, you see there'll be a hole where most dryers, I'm pretty sure, can fit underneath. And you just stick your dryer inside, like so. And then you turn on your blow dryer and it dries your whole head in a matter of minutes, which is amazing. So, demonstrate. See how the air kind of fluffed up? And there's also holes on it so it doesn't it doesn't overheat. So it's very safe. You just sit under here, put on a show, put on a movie, read a book, and you just wait for your hair to dry. It's pretty efficient. So it should be dry for the most part now. So I'm just gonna take them all down. See how this looks. going to separate each curl very carefully. This is the part that I usually mess up, to be very honest with you, because I end up getting the most frizzy hair. When I split it up, I'm curling it again. Okay, I am back. Took all the flexi rods out of my hair, picked it out with a pick. So I basically just pull it from the root, pull upwards. But I don't pull, I don't pull all the way to the end because I don't want to lose the curl, but I do want it to be fluffy. So as days goes by, it gets bigger, but because it's new, it's pretty small right now. But I'm actually feeling this curly Sue look. I wish you could smell how good my hair smells right now. The curling defining oil, it smells so good. Like, it's coconut and jojoba oil, but man, like it just, my hair smells so tropical right now. I just wish you could smell it through the screen. So thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
And God will generously provide all you need. Then you will always have everything you need and plenty left over to share with others. 1 Corinthians 9:8.